All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Ear portable air conditioning and mist unit humidifier, a 4-in-1 timer. It's got a light and everything. I needed this for this office. So I got this on Amazon. It's going to run you about $65, but it's on sale for $10 off right now at the recording of this video on June 5th, I believe it is. So June 5th, 2020. Let's see here. Yep, June 5th, 2020. Grab this for $10 off. Amazon Prime, you'll get it the next day. So this is really cool because I'm in a situation where I needed a cooler air in this little room that I use sometimes for office to record. So why not get a portable air conditioning unit? So this is bedroom. You can put it anywhere. I'm using it in office. So here's how the fan looks. You can see this is looks like a regular fan, but on the front here you've got your on off and your mode, and then you've got the timer over here if you want to set a timer for it, and then you've got the cool, and then you have the light. And you'll see how this is when I power it on. This has been my first time powering it up. Here's where you put the this is where, well, actually if you press here you can see how this actually works. Look on the side there, you can see this is where all the water will go. And so you don't want to open it like that. You just want to pull down on that area right there, and you'll fill up this with cool water, ice water, cool water, whatever you want to do, and it's going to just come up and give you some cold air out of this little fan. So now I'm going to fill it up with some water, and then we're going to give it a test, and I'll tell you how cool it actually really is. So there's a little indicator down here on the back here, so I'm just going to pour in some ice cold water. You can put ice down in here if you want to. Shouldn't take much to fill it up. Whoa, spilled a little bit. I get a towel. So basically a bottle of water, ice water, bottle of water should fill this up. And that one, that bottle wasn't full. I was actually drinking it, so that bottle wasn't full. But it is, the fan is ready to go now. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it up, and make sure you dry off the area and everything, so you don't get electrocuted. And the bottom of this thing is ice cold, obviously, because I just had cold ice bottle of water in there. So I'm plugging it up. All right. Now get the power. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, man! I just fired it up, son, and it's nice and quiet, and it definitely is cold. So I can't tilt it or anything, but I'll give you some different angles here to show you how it actually looks. But this is crazy nice right here, man. It's really nice. On the front here, you've got this AC type button or whatever, where you can see the mist start to come out. This is how it's pumping the water through, and you're getting that really cool air. Really nice, and it's got a light. It's like a little light right there you can power on. That's pretty cool. Nice. You can change to different colors. The blue is fire, the green. All right, let's leave it on that. Cycle through. It's pretty cool, man. Yeah, but it's kind of like this little mist coming through. Really, really nice. And man, oh man, is it cool. So there's different levels, looks like, down here. You can get it really cool. Turn it off. That's coming through right now. It's cool, folks, and it's really quiet too. Oh man, very, very nice. Yes. Woo. I really needed this up here. This is very cool. It'll sit off to the side or whatever, but this is one that if you're in a situation where you need some air conditioning, a portable air conditioning unit, you can always count on. I can hear the water and I can see the mist coming from this, and it is just so cool. I tell you no lies. So there it is. You hit this power button again, it'll crank the fan up. That's how you adjust the fan. And it's probably a little bit louder now, but not real bad in person, man. That's high right there. That's low. Yeah, it cycles. Oh man, it's really cool, folks. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and show you the new portable air conditioning, and I'm about to start using this thing right now. I'm going to put it in position where my other fan used to be. This is really nice. You don't have to put water in there, but if you want cooler air and some kind of mist, definitely add ice cold water or add ice to some cold water, and you should be really good. That was just ice cold water out of the bottled water, but if you put some ice in little chunks of ice with some cold water, ooh, it's gonna be nice. Anyway, it's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.